If the proposed law by members of the House of Representatives scales through, then children of all ages in Nigeria will have free healthcare services. But this is so because the lawmakers are now supporting the proposed bill in the National Assembly. In another development, the legislators also probed factors inhibiting the Nigeria Customs Service from implementing its executive order on the ease of doing business in the country. National Assembly correspondent Joke Hadisa reports.
Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues.
Bello Kauje from Kebbi State is the sponsor of a bill aiming to make healthcare delivery free for children of all ages in Nigeria. He says prevailing poverty in many households and the need to halt avoidable deaths make this intervention necessary.
The healthcare service shall include diagnosis, treatment, prevention of illness and other physical and mental apartment in children in Nigeria.
National Primary Healthcare Development Agency in all local communities. Free delivery, free healthcare for children, they are doing it.
He is now giving teeth to it by saying whether this, even in 15-20 years' time, a government must comply with this law.
A motion to probe the non-implementation of the executive order on ease of doing business by the Nigeria Customs Service also received the lawmakers' support. The Committee on Customs now has the mandate of the House to investigate challenges facing the service in this regard.
When cargoes are eventually cleared after a long delay, the importers tends to adjust prices of the goods to reflect an additional expenses, thus creating a situation that is perpetually reducing the purchasing power of the masses.
Outside the chamber, the Committee on Judiciary renewed calls for an increase in the salaries of judicial workers. At a budget defense meeting with the National Judicial Council, it condemned the recent invasion of the residence of Justice Mary Odili.
Importance to us in this committee is that we have started an advocacy as a committee, and then it has been adopted partly by the House, that we are seeking for the review of salaries and remunerations of judicial officers.
Salaries and allowances of state judicial officers. We are proposing the sum of 16 billion 831 million 404,913 naira 26 kobo.
A bill to establish the South-South Development Commission now awaits concurrence of the Senate before being transmitted to Mr. President for assent. Joke Hadisa, TVC News, Abuja.